Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing two cars from the Mania series, the 67 Pontiac Firebird 400 and the 69 Dodge Charger 500. Okay, first up we have the 67 Pontiac Firebird. It's car 5 of 10 and this one is in a red burgundy colour with the cream stripes on the side and the front of the car. Alright, let's rip into it. Oh, it looks like such a fast car. The back wheels are a little bit bigger than the front wheels on this one, and it's got gold rims on the tires. It's really cool looking car. I love the two doors. It's really awesome. Yeah, it's a fast looking car. Alright, enjoy the detailed views of this Pontiac Firebird. Okay, next we have the 69 Dodge Charger 500. It's in a black with yellow stripes on the hood and the trunk. Let's rip into it. Another fast looking two-door car. This one's got the yellow rims on the tires with the black caps. It's yellow interior. It's a pretty cool looking car. Actually, I really like it in the black, and that stripe along the side, it's really cool. Alright, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the detailed views of this Dodge Charger 500. Thanks everyone.